Welcome back. If you have a Lenovo laptop and your F keys aren't working the way you expect, this quick fix could save you a lot of frustration. For example, when I press one of the F keys at the top of the keyboard, it's triggering the on-screen hotkey functions instead of acting as a standard F key. If you're dealing with the same issue, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in less than a minute. First, open Windows Search and look for Lenovo Vantage. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it for free from the Microsoft Store. Once Lenovo Vantage opens, go to Settings, then select Input and Accessories. Here, you'll find a function lock toggle. Simply turn function lock on. That's it. Now, when you press any of the F keys, they'll work as standard function keys such as F1, F2, F3, and so on. You should be able to see the change immediately. Need to use the secondary functions like volume up, volume down, brightness up, or brightness down? No problem. Just hold the Fn key while pressing the corresponding F key. If you decide you prefer the original setup, you can always go back into Lenovo Vantage and turn function lock off. While we're here, let's look at another useful Lenovo feature. Search for Lenovo Hotkeys and open the application. This utility controls many of the special Lenovo keyboard shortcuts and on-screen notifications. After accepting the terms, you'll see several options related to hotkeys and on-screen displays. For example, when you adjust volume or brightness, you may see pop-up indicators on your screen. Don't like those notifications? You can disable them here. The same applies to indicators such as caps lock and num lock. If you don't want those on-screen alerts appearing every time you press those keys, simply toggle them off in the settings. And that's all there is to it, a simple fix for both F key functionality and Lenovo's on-screen display settings. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.